Hey guys, I'm Shawn Cheek of WebPianoTeacher.com. Today we're doing my next hired request on the list, which is a song by Peter Gabriel called Boy in the Bubble. So let's take a listen to the beginning of this. In measure 2, measure 3, E chord, double bar. Next line. Back to D. All right, and so forth. All right, so if you're a Peter Gabriel fan and you are sort of a beginner pianist, this is perfect for you because this is not really hard, as you can see. None of it's too much harder than what I just did right there. And Peter Gabriel is known for his creativity and doing things that are, out of the box, and definitely not a cookie cutter mold pop rock sound that he creates. So let's get into this. If you are a member of the website, you can download my sheets for this. I use letters instead of traditional music notation. And I've done it for 30 years. Works for a lot of people who have trouble reading music or just need a different way to learn. Just hop right in and let's get going. So 4 times at the beginning, we have F sharp, C sharp, F sharp, second time, third time. And I'm using my right hand to help out. See, I have it all written in the left hand, but I'm using my right hand for that third note. Then the singing starts in the second bar. Only 1 time there, so 4 times on that first measure there. Second measure here, F sharp, D sharp, F sharp. So I'm still letting my right hand help out. F sharp, D sharp, F sharp, back to F sharp, C sharp, F sharp, and then we go to E, B, G sharp, and I'm letting my right hand help out. Yes, you could play it all with just your left hand, but I'm going to let my right hand help out, and it's up to you how you want to do that. I'm just letting my right hand play the third note usually, okay? So there's this one will be definitely one of the easier songs you learn in your life. But if you love Peter Gabriel, like I said, this is perfect for to start with. And see you on the website. We'll finish the whole thing, and you can download the sheets. Hope you guys enjoyed it.